Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a dispenser top in a Hotpoint washing machine. If there is no water getting into your soap drawer, or the dispenser top is really blocked, meaning that no water can get through the jets, or it's broken or cracked, then it will need to be replaced. Safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing I need to do is to remove the top of the appliance by undoing the 2 screws at the back. With the top of the washing machine removed, I now need to remove the dispenser drawer or soap drawer, which is a side opening one on this model. Simple to do. Lift it up on the right hand side to release and then pull towards you like so. To lift off the dispenser top itself, there's 2 screws at the back and 2 at the front here. So just need to remove those next. With all the screws removed, I can now maneuver the dispenser drawer, and here we can see that a hose, the dispenser hose, is connected. So I can just disconnect that and gently lift the dispenser drawer away from the hose. I'm just going to replace the top of the appliance so I can use it as a flat surface. And then to separate the dispenser top from the dispenser drawer, simply gently pull on these clips, which go all the way around, and you can separate the 2 pieces. Now again, good opportunity to clean the dispenser body if necessary, but to replace the dispenser top, simply clip it onto the dispenser body. With the dispenser top now fitted, I can remove the top of the washing machine, connect the hose and then refit the screws. With the dispenser now properly fitted, I can refit the screws. To refit the dispenser drawer, we have this hook at the back, which connects to this bar at the back of the dispenser drawer opening, and also this ridge just runs along the lip on the top of the opening here. So just push it all the way back until that hook connects, lift up and then push into position. Now I can refit the top of the washing machine. And there we have it, 1 new dispenser top fitted to this Hotpoint washing machine. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.